This is HelpScreen and this is how to fix TeraBox app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix the application, the TeraBox. So now, for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store and then from here, just use the search button and search for the TeraBox app. And now, guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, for the second solution, just go to your device settings. And then from here, just tap on the apps. And then once you are on the apps, you will see here all of the installed application on your device. And now I want you to try to find the TeraBox over here. So now, once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on the storage, and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix your TeraBox app. And guys, if any of the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall TeraBox on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and now install it back again on your device. And then from there, you should be able to fix your TeraBox and you should be able to use it properly. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching. See ya!